Hi, my name is Robin Skinner. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Acrotrend, and I want to give you a quick demonstration of our Delta product. So first of all, let me log into BI Administrator, and we're going to go down to the presentation layer and make some alterations there. So you can see there's a number of columns associated with the customer table, which are the kind of things that are going to get used in reports. So the change we're going to make today is we're going to change the name of that table. And obviously that'll mean that any reports that are dependent on that table won't be able to find those columns. So we're going to save that as a new name. Check it for consistency. And now, having made that change, we're going to demonstrate the ability of Delta to find that change and then also show us the impact of that change. So to do that, we need to tell it which RPD to use as the starting point, and then which RPD to use as the modified version. So we log in using an OBIEE username and password. So at this point, we log into OBIEE and the tool runs the comparison of the two different RPDs. It finds the differences between those two layers and then also goes to look for the impacted reports in the web catalog. So here we can see it's found some of the columns that have changed as a result of our changing that table name. And we can see that they're all there. It's found all of the columns that were in that area of the RPD and are affected by changing the table name. So now if we go back, we can see where it started to look at the web catalog. And what it's doing here is going through each of the folders, starting with the root folder and then recursively going through each of the folders, each of the reports, checking whether they are involve the affected customer dimension columns, and then reporting on the impact that the change that we've noticed is going to have. And as we look down at the report, we can see it going into each of the individual folders in turn, looking at the reports, working out whether they're effective or fine, and then finally getting all the way through to the end and reporting that it is complete. So if we now go back and look for those reports that were affected right at the beginning again, we can see it's these multi-dim reports that are having the problem. And if we run the proceed to report results screen, then we see those called out, and we also see the impact. You know, is this something that is just going to be a minor impact? Is it something that's going to be a very high impact? And we can start to tell what is going to be the impact of the changes that we've looked at. So there we are. The Delta tool allows you to see the differences between two RPDs, and most importantly, to see the impact of those differences on your web catalog. So if you'd like to learn more about Delta, go onto our website and ask for a live demonstration. Thanks very much.